Commuter experience to be enhanced with the arrival of 100 new CNG buses. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaicans are now expected to travel in fine style after 100 new CNG buses arrive on the island on Monday. The buses are valued at $3 billion. Minister of Science, Technology, Telecommunication and Transport, Mr. Darrell Vaz, in its sectorial presentation in June, had announced that 300 new buses would be added to the Jamaican Urban Transit Company's JUTC fleet and would for the first time be purchased using Jamaica's own money. The arrival of the 100 buses represents the first phase of a three-phase procurement and will see the buses available to the public for the upcoming academic year, significantly reducing the wait time for commuters. The other phases include the procurement of an additional 100 CNG buses by the third quarter of the financial year 2024 to 2025 and the acquisition of a final 100 buses for the fiscal year 2025 to 2026. Vaz indicated that this is a representation of the ministry's commitment to reducing the misery index of the Jamaican public and improving the JUTC services. The buses are equipped with a number of features including Wi-Fi, a camera system to allow better monitoring of the units, geo-tracking fire suppression system, electronically controlled air suppression system to allow for the embarking and disembarking of elderly people and physically challenged. Additionally, 10 of these buses are specially equipped for this. Additionally, 10 of these buses are specially equipped for the disabled. The ministry further indicated that the commuters will be able to track the movement of the buses through a mobile app. These buses are smart buses and therefore the commuters and the general public at large will be able to interact through the app, which will allow for them to track these buses to see exactly what time they are expected to arrive at various locations. The addition of these 100 buses will bring the total number of new buses introduced to the public transportation system since May 23 to 171 units. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.